this world is divided into two types of people, the rich people and the poor people. The major difference between these two is that rich have access to knowledge and opportunities, and poor people do not have access to either knowledge or opportunities. Hello and welcome to Freedom App. I am your host Sugandh, and today in this video I am going to tell you what is Freedom App, why you should download the Freedom App, and how Freedom App is going to change your life. First up, let me tell you what exactly is Freedom App. Freedom App is India's largest personal finance and livelihood education app if we go by the definition of it. Well, it is much more than that for all its users. So basically, the content on Freedom App is divided into three major categories. First category is personal finance. Second category is farming. And third category is small businesses. If I talk about personal finance, when you download the Freedom App, you will get access to personal finance courses like a 6-hour course on financial freedom. In that course, you will learn how to attain financial freedom, how to manage your finances well, and how to manage money. For example, there is a course on health insurance. Which is the best health insurance? What kind of insurance you should buy? There is a course on credit cards. Should you buy a credit card or not? What are credit cards all about? So basically, if you want to learn about personal finance, if you want to increase your financial knowledge, that is the category you should look out for. In our school, in our college, we always study about physics, science, chemistry, but no one teaches us about personal finance. That's why it's imperative for you to learn about how to manage your finances. Second category on Freedom App is farming. In farming category, you will see courses like how to do dragon fruit farming, how to do mushroom farming, how to increase the yield of your crop. You will also study about agripreneurship, how you will become an agripreneur instead of just being a farmer. How can farmers sell their produce well? There are also many new farming techniques explained on Freedom App in courses like hydroponic farming, integrated farming, and much more. So if you are a farming enthusiast, if you are son or daughter of a farmer, and if you are yourself a farmer, it's really important for you to study more about it. The third category on Freedom App is about small businesses. Here we tell you how you can build a small business of your own. In this category, you will see courses like how to open your own salon and spa, how to open your own provision store, how to open your own juice center, how to start your own dance academy, how you can become an Instagram influencer and earn money. Not only this, we have so many courses in small businesses that you can watch the introductions of all the courses and get an idea on which business you should do. Well, I think every individual needs all these three categories at one point in time in life. Wouldn't you want to know how to apply for a loan or how to file your ITR? Then you will need the personal finance section. Wouldn't you want to know how you can become a part-time farmer and start different kinds of farming? Then you would head to the farming section. And I'm sure every one of us, one or the other point in life, thinks of running a business. So that's when the small business category will help you. And these courses are available in 6 languages: Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, English, and Malayalam. You can watch any course in the language of your choice. Not only this, now that I have told you what is Freedom App, you must be wondering, what about the credibility and trust factor? Why should I download the Freedom App? Well, if you want just an alibi for the credibility of this app, let me tell you, Freedom App comes in the list of the apps which have more than 5 million downloads on the Google Play Store. Yes, that's right. If you will Google a list of apps with more than 5 million downloads, the name of Freedom App will pop up. And remember, it is ffreedom, the financial freedom. We have achieved 75 years of independence, but we have not achieved financial freedom for everyone in this country. That's why there's Freedom App. And to add another feather in the credibility and trust cap, there is NSDC. You must have heard about National Skill Development Corporation, which is run by the Government of India. When you go and visit their website, our Freedom App's courses are available on that website too. We have a collaboration with National Skill Development Corporation because in Freedom App, we believe that if we provide skill, if we provide knowledge to people, they will become financially independent. Well, not only this, Freedom App's show Icons of Bharat was telecasted on NDTV India, and Freedom App became a household name, and around 60 mentors who teach courses on Freedom App appeared on that show. Now let's talk about the mentors. Wouldn't you want to learn from a salon owner how to run a salon? Wouldn't you want to learn from a restaurant owner how to run a restaurant business? Or wouldn't you want to know from a financial expert, from an insurance expert himself, which is the best insurance to buy? Well, here I'm trying to tell you that on Freedom App, all these courses are taught by experts in their relevant fields. Yes, these courses are not taught by the professors or the teachers. These are taught by the experts. Well, these experts not only tell you how to run this business, but they also practically show you the whole process. Well, now let me tell you how Freedom App works. When you download the Freedom App, you get access to see all the introductions of all the courses available on the Freedom App. But just like on OTT, when you buy a one-time subscription to Netflix or Amazon Prime, you can watch all the movies in all the languages. In a similar manner, when you buy one-time subscription to Freedom App, you can watch all the courses across all the categories and all the languages. Whereas if we compare it to other educational platforms, there are many brands which charge you per course. Yes, when you will log on to internet or you will download an app, they will always tell you that if you want to do an XYZ course, you have to pay this much money. But on Freedom App, one subscription gives you access to all the courses across all the languages. Now that you have downloaded the Freedom App, you have access to all the courses, you have studied one course thoroughly that yes, I want to do this business, what's next? Well, we also have a community where you can connect with all the mentors, with all the other people doing the same business or into the same kind of farming. Not only this, on Freedom App, we also have Marketplace. Now, Marketplace is a place where you can list and sell your products. For example, if you have started your own candle making business by studying a course on Freedom App, you can list your products on the Marketplace and people can buy from you. Well, if I will go on talking about Freedom App, you might feel that, oh, she's an anchor of Freedom App, she will obviously talk good things about it. Well, let's hear from some of our users. What do they have to say about Freedom App? Has Freedom App benefited them? Let's hear them out.
Hello, my name is Sachin. I'm from Bangalore and I just saw this video of Sudhir sir on financial freedom. It is truly amazing, and his personal story about creating this platform or this company for helping up people is really amazing. It has really touched my heart. Thank you, Sudhir sir. Thanks a lot. You're doing a very good job.
My name is Raj. I am from Bangalore. The course on mutual fund is really fantastic. Right from what is mutual fund, how to choose what are the various types of mutual fund, how to choose a right mutual fund, how to do an analysis. Right, all those things are very well explained. I suggest everyone to go through this course. Thank you.
Well, these are just a few people who have benefited from Freedom App. There are lots and lots of people who have studied courses on Freedom App, started their own farming and businesses, and have succeeded in their life. Well, it is said that if the foundation is strong, the building is strong. Wouldn't you want to know who started the Freedom App? How did it started? What's the vision of this person? So let me introduce you to Mr. C.S. Sudhir, the CEO and founder of Freedom App. Mr. C.S. Sudhir was a finance expert working in an insurance corporation, and one day he was going to work in an auto. The auto driver told him his sob story that how someone misled him and sold him the wrong kind of insurance and robbed him of his savings. Well, Sudhir sir paid this person rupees 25,000. But that was not going to solve the problem of this country where people are often misled with financial information and are mugged by the companies. Well, that was a breakthrough. Mr. C.S. Sudhir founded IndianMoney.com and started giving financial advice over the phone. Later on, he started giving physical financial freedom workshops to people. He conducted thousands of workshops where he taught people how to manage their finances well, how to earn more money, and how to become financially independent. But this was only going to help a few people. Then came March 2020 when Freedom app was launched. Well, yes, that's right, Freedom app, India's first personal finance and livelihood education app was launched, and just in 2 years this app won the hearts of people, and today it's listed in the list of most downloaded apps on Google Play, which have more than 5 million downloads. Well, the vision of Freedom app is to provide livelihood education to everyone, to make people of India skilled, and that's why we also got the show Icons of Bharat on NDTV India. Now, without a further ado, let's hear from the horse's mouth. Let's listen what our founder and CEO has to say about Freedom app.
We all are running the race of life. Yes, 780 crore people are running this race, but very few people have got 1 lakh crore, 5 lakh crore, 10 lakh crore of assets, and the others are struggling for even 10,000 rupees. Why is this happening? Take a look at 100-meter running race. If 20 people are running the race, all 20 will reach the goal, but then the one who reaches first will win the game. Why is this not happening in the race of life? It is because those who are running in this 100-meter running race, they know their target, they know the path to get to their target. But unfortunately, in the race of life, most of us don't have a goal, and those who have a goal don't know the path to get to their goal, and those who know the path to get to their goal, they don't have the strength to run. Then who are these rich people? Where do they come from? How did they become rich? Yes, there are no shortcuts to become rich. There are secrets to become rich. Do you want to learn the secrets to become rich? Now you can get all those secrets of rich people in one place together, right in Financial Freedom app. Download Financial Freedom app and start your journey to become rich.
Well, now that you know what is Freedom app, why you should download it, well, now let me tell you how Freedom app is going to change your life. You might be stuck into a 9-to-5 job. You might be struggling to make those extra bucks in your business. You might be struggling to sell your produce as a farmer. Or you might just be a dreamer, a visionary who wants to make it big in this world. Well, if you are any one of them, Freedom app will change your life, because when you download the Freedom app, you will get new ideas, you will get access to knowledge, and you will get access to opportunities. Not only this, you will make a network of people. Yes, as it is said, your network is your net worth. So if you have understood how important is it for you to download the Freedom app, I request you to share this video with your friends and family as well. Whole day we lie in our bed and browse through apps which only provide us some entertainment and kill our time. Why not download the Freedom app and get some new ideas to make a better life? On that note, download the Freedom app from the link in the description below, and do hit the like button if you have liked this video. Well, I wish you all the very best for your life, and before I go away, I just want to say destiny is a matter of choice, rather a chance. This is your host Sugandh Sharma signing off.